Yvebelize, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I hope you subscribe. I know you're asking yourself, what are we doing today? I know we got some twists up in this hair. We're gonna be doing the takedown. I'm wearing my hat because I've been shopping and I bought a whole bunch of hats. It's my new obsession. So yeah, this is what we gonna be doing, honey. I'm gonna have fun with these things. I am loving them. So yeah, anywho, I have my hair twisted up in 2-strand twist. I decided not to do a tutorial on them because it's so basic and everybody knows how to do a 2-strand twist, I would suppose. If it's something you're interested in, let me know if you need a tutorial. I've had these in for 5 days. I have been exercising, so I just decided to tuck my hair away. After I take them down, I know I'm not gonna be able to wear my hat because my hair is gonna be huge. Let's get into this. This is a silk scrunchie, y'all. I got this from Ann Taylor. Every morning, I spritz with some water just to keep my hair moisturized. And moisture is not a look, it's a feel. So when you run your fingers down your strands of your hair, down your twist or whatever, when you touch your hair, you're supposed to be able to feel the moisture coming off of your hair. If that does not happen, then your hair is dry and you need to moisturize your hair, whatever that looks like for you. The stars of the show today is my melanin oil and the melanin twisting elongating cream. These go very well together, and I only pull these out on special occasion. I baby these. Yeah, I love them. They're full of moisture. Since I twist my hair up, I have not put any product in my hair, but just been spritzing with water. I'm not gonna put anything else in my hair. My hair is still moisturized, so I'm just gonna take them down. This is also a great way to protective style your hair. Keeping this in for like a week or 2 weeks, your hair is put away, you're really not messing with your hair. Protective styling don't always mean that you're putting in extensions in your hair. You can twist up your own hair and it's a protective style, and with this is very versatile as well. You can style it in different ways, and also you can put the accessories on them to make them really pretty. I had some accessories on them during the week, but I took them out. Do you see definition coming through? My hair feels so soft. Can you feel it? Look how beautiful this is. 5 days. I'm gonna go a step further and I'm gonna pick my hair out. I'm really pleased with how this looks. I could have stopped when I undid my hair. I made it huge, and I'm gonna stop picking right here because it can really get out of control, as you can see. But yeah, this is the end result. I am loving it. She is fabulous. Thanks so much for watching. Like the video, but I always say, y'all, share the video, and Eve will see y'all in the next video.